IQBoard Memo is an environmentally friendly LCD board that perfectly replaces traditional blackboards and whiteboards. Tired of using traditional blackboards and inhaling large amounts of dust, which is harmful to your health? Tired of writing on whiteboards with endless markers and get dirtier as you erase? Then you need to know IQBoard Memo. IQBoard Memo is an environmentally friendly LCD board. No need chalk or marker to write, no dust, thus minimizing lung damage to students and teachers. Since IQBoard Memo utilizes backlight-free LCD polymer technology, students will be able to view the board content through reflected light. The image is clearly and visually appealing, which can better protect their eyesight. In addition, IQBoard Memo's viewing distance is up to 30 meters, viewing angle up to 140 degrees. Writing is very convenient and help you protect the environment, even without a writing pen. Any tool of suitable hardness such as a marker, or even a fingernail can be used for a smooth writing experience anytime, anywhere. IQBoard Memo stands out for its large-size screens. For large-size writing, we also have a patented partial erase technology that can erase incorrect content partially, greatly improving writing fault tolerance. The erasing method can be done by using the easel, or by using a relatively flat object, such as the palm. According to a survey, teachers using traditional blackboards spend an average of 25 minutes a day erasing. IQBoard Memo is designed with a user-friendly one-touch erase button. When the screen is completely covered with writing, a single button is enough to clear the screen. What's more special about our IQBoard Memo is when we are using it with any other electric screens. A Windows-based IQBoard Memo software is provided with amazing features. All writings on the IQBoard Memo are synchronized to the corresponding display. Erased by mistake? Don't worry, with IQBoard Memo software, your writing can be saved in real time. Desktop mode allows you to switch from writing to desktop applications like browser. When you continue to write, your writing remains. PIP mode allows to display both the content of PowerPoint and writing at the same time. When going with a large screen display, it is very convenient for the audience to watch both content simultaneously. After the course, all the written content can be packed away, convenient for students to review later, greatly reducing the time to copy notes. Increase the efficiency in the classroom. IQBoard Memo can be applied to multiple scenarios with the simultaneous writing needs. It can be wall-mounted on both sides of the interactive display to extend the viewing range. Equipped with mobile floor stand, it can also be used with larger size displays, especially over 100-inch for some large space, such as LED wall or projection screen to synchronize the writing. That's IQBoard Memo, a smart interactive LCD board that combines writing, vision friendliness with multi-scenario functionality. Welcome to contact us to discover more about the potential of IQBoard Memo.